current year, from April onwards up to July end, that is 4 months, we have transported 1.47 crore passengers from Madurai division, and with an earning of 157.25 crore rupees. Passenger earnings have grown by 1.5% in comparison to last year's earnings. On freight loading, the division has moved 5.73 lakh tons of commodities and earned 67.5 crore rupees. The gross apportioned earning of rupees 244.82 crores during the first 4 months of the current financial year. Punctuality we have been able to maintain at 97.2% for mail express trains and 97.5% for passenger trains against a target of 95%. To clear extra rush, we are running additional trains also, and in many cases we are attaching extra coaches to the existing passenger trains. From 1st October 2016, that is just 1.5 months away, Chennai Egmore Rameshwaram train will be speeded up and it will get converted into super fast status. We have also given temporary stoppage at Papanasham railway station on the Tirupati Rameshwaram express train. Janani Seva children's menu have been made available at catering units over Madurai division. Say if you are coming by Vaigai Express from Chennai Egmore to Madurai, you want to have your evening tea and snacks somewhere near Trichy, you can give order there, and it will be, you have to give order say by the time you pass Vrindachalam, or maybe somewhere between Vrindachalam and Trichy, and you will get the choice of your menu at Trichy station. You will have to give your seat number and berth number, PNR number. The initiative has been taken so that you can have a choice between various food items available. Basically to take care of small children who are still feeding on milk, and they require more milk than what the mother can. And yes, these baby food items also, like Cerelac or Ferrex or such brands. Kudal Nagar, we have the headquarters has agreed to our suggestion of making it a coaching hub, because you see at Madurai station we do not have space to expand, and Madurai being a junction station, the train comes from Manamadurai, from Virudnagar direction, from Rameshwaram direction, etc. So there's hardly any space to expand. Therefore, Kudal Nagar, and I'm told that the city is expanding on that side. So that way Kudal Nagar should become very prominent station once that project is taken up. The cost of the project may be about 30 crores, even more than that.